writing ratios for real-world situations. So there are 5 green apples. I'm just going to go ahead and go like this. So there are 5 green apples, and I'm just writing it in green. And then there are 9 red apples in a basket. What is the ratio of green to all apples? So if I want to know all apples, and I have 5 green and 9 red, I just need to add these together, so I know I have 14 all. So then if I want the green, I'm going to go green to 14, or green to all, sorry. Then I have green to all, like this. And I can separate it just like that. You can also use the words to, or you can use a fraction. In this case, this is how they want us to separate it. So we're literally just saying, what are the pieces, and what are they asking? You're putting in that order. So what is the ratio of red apples? So I have 9 to all the baskets, or all of the apples in the basket. So again, I'm going to go back to 14. So I have 5 to 14 or 9 to 14. So that's all we're going to do with this one. Whoops, didn't mean to close that. I meant to clear it. Okay, and next. All right, so there are 14 books on a shelf. 8 of these books are new. So I'm going to go with 14 books on a shelf. And 8 of them, let's go with green for new. 8 of them, oh, why didn't it switch over my color here? Hello, pen is not working correctly. So I want green. 8 of them are new. So we have 14 books on the shelf total. 8 of them are new. So what we need to figure out is, what are they going to ask us about these books on the shelf, and why do we care that 8 of them are new? So what is the ratio of new books to used books? Okay, I see. If 8 of them are new, then some of them are used. So what I want to do is subtract 8 from the 14, and that'll tell me how many are used. So if we do 8 minus 14, we get 6. So 8 are new, 6 are used. There are 14 total. So then we just go through and we fill in our ratios here. So I'm going to go ahead and click over here. So what is the ratio of new books to used books? So new, we know, is 8. And they actually give you this little button to click on. So we know it's 8 new books to 6 used books. Because remember, total we had 14. 8 were new. That means 6 must be used. All right, so now we have, what is the ratio of used books to all books? So used books is 6, and all of them were 14 because there's 14 on the shelf. Check, and we get our point. All right, I'm going to clear, go next. Okay, so what is the ratio of blue marbles to all marbles? So let's go here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, so I'm just counting them. And for all, we're just going to add them together. So what do we get? What's 7 plus 5? We get 12. So now we have our numbers, and we can just add these in. So we know I have 7 red marbles, 5 blue marbles, and 12 total. I'm going to count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. All right, I just want to make sure I counted that right, because that would be one of those silly mistakes that sometimes we make, where I fill it in correctly, but I had grabbed the wrong numbers to begin with. So what is the ratio of blue marbles to all marbles? So we know we have 5 blue, and we know we have a total of 12. What is the ratio of red marbles? We know we have 7. Whoops. Make sure that 7 goes first, because that's what they're asking first. To all marbles. So again, 12. Check. And we're good. So let's clear and go next. Okay, so we're going to go down here. So there are 11 apples in a basket. So we know I have 11 apples in a basket. 3 of these apples are green. So 3 of them are green. The rest are red. So what that tells me is I should probably subtract to figure out how many red apples I have. So 11 minus 3 gives me, let's see, oh, I forgot my equal sign, equals 8. So, and I can always go backwards and say 8, 9, 10, 11. That does in fact get me 11. So I have 11 apples, 3 are green, 8 are red. So we have our 3 numbers. Now we just need to type them into our, not proportion, sorry, ratio. So the first one here says, what is the ratio of green to red apples? So green to red. I have 3 green, I have 8 red. The next one says, what is the ratio of all apples? You know, we have 11 to red, which is 8. Check. And we finished another one. Yay!